a land of mountains, lochs, ancient Caledonian forests, and remote islands. Scotland is a vast wilderness, wind-scoured and rugged, yet full of grace and beauty. As the unforgiving winter draws to a close, signs of spring begin to appear. As wildlife begins to re-emerge and many migrating birds return, they all have one thing on the agenda. It's breeding season in the Scottish Highlands. Ospreys are a conservation success story. After becoming extinct in the Isles in 1916, there are now 200 breeding pairs in Scotland today. Ospreys mate for life, and after wintering separately, they reunite at the same eyrie each spring to breed. Both parties perform an awkward courtship display. It has been months since they last saw each other. Off the west coast of Sutherland lies a small island. Battered by storms and shaped by the sea, this remote Scottish island is home to a variety of wildlife. Handa Island is an internationally important seabird breeding colony, with nearly 100,000 seabirds breeding here each summer, including guillemots, razorbills and fulmars. Fulmars, like most seabirds, spend their winters at sea, returning to land only to breed. Like the osprey, fulmars are also monogamous and rejoin their mates each year at the same nest site. This female has been waiting patiently for her mate to arrive. She finally catches sight of him and calls to get his attention. He hovers above for a moment to confirm it's his partner. The reacquainted pair perform a noisy greeting ritual to strengthen the bond. Across the colony, pairs are reuniting. Other pairs are already ahead of schedule. It will be weeks before she lays a single egg on the bare rock. Further inland, on the edge of the moorland and the ancient Caledonian forest, male black grouse can be seen performing a spectacular display on traditional lekking sites. Gathering at dawn on an open grassy arena, they compete for females. Although this testosterone-charged activity centres on the male grouse, it is the females who make the choices, and unsuccessful males are forced to skulk in the margins of the lekking arena. Spring in Scotland is an important time of the year, and as the seasons come and go, nature continues to take its course across the vast wilderness, as it has done for millions of years.